So here we are in a nice new loft conversion, and what we've done, we've mounted a TV on the wall with hidden cables on a cantilever bracket. So basically we've just took electric cable through the back of the wall. If you go over there, Ian, so basically we get hold of the cantilever bracket, you can move it out, and then basically when the lady's in bed she can watch the TV there. And it's multifunctional bracket, it will go anywhere. Now on the back, basically you have this arm, we've just put electric lead up there, and then that's bolted through the wall. And then if you want to put it back to the wall, and that is your cantilever bracket in a loft. So this is Television Aerials installing a TV wall mount.